Okay, so we're gonna get some chicken here. We're gonna place it in the smoking hot rice. Ito ba yung smoke? Bigyan natin sabaw. Sabaw! Ay, okay. Ano? We're gonna get sabaw. We're gonna pour it sa yummy! Now we're gonna get, gusto ko to, yung legs. Drumstick tayo, guys. Chicken. Tsaka ito. Alright. So that's enough. We're gonna cover the rice. And we're gonna eat the food. Meron pang tira kahapon. Ube bread from Gardenia. Yan, ito siya. Ube bread from Gardenia. Lagyan natin dito. Mamaya na yung dessert. We're gonna eat it for dessert later. Okay? And the chicken, we're gonna cover it. Ay, lumamig na yung pagkain ko. Alam ko meron. Sarap ng ating almusal, guys. This is already. What's this? Brunch. This will be brunch already. Brunch, guys. Let's eat brunch. Hindi ko makita yung Hindi ko makita yung guys. Hindi ko makita yung Hindi ko makita yung what's that? Hindi ko makita yung yan, tawag dyan. Chat box. Hindi ko makita yung chat box, guys. We have 16 ba yan or 19? 19 people in the house. Hi, people in the house. Hindi ko alam kung sino kayo kasi I cannot see the chat box. I cannot see the comment section.